Okay. So we're back here at the back. Check out the progress that Opa and Neil have made. And wow, you can see the tree at the front that they were cutting down is completely down. And there's another one that's completely down. And there's the third one, it looks like. We got the top off. And then look at, there's considerable amount more of stuff on the bottom. So I think they're making good progress. What do you think, Bernadette? Are they doing well? I'm not sure what I can fill this video up with talking, but Bernadette wanted me to do a lot of talking. She wanted me to ask them, what you guys doing up there? But they can't hear me at all. Look at Opa's doing sign language up there for Neil. And Neil's doing a good job moving that lift around so they don't whack into a tree. Look at him, he's pretty good. He knows what he's doing. Good stuff. So, anyways, just thought you'd be interested in seeing the progress. Keep in mind, I'm uploading them in the wrong order. Kind of, well, the order that I'm taking them, but this is a later order than the next one that you're going to see, which is the first one that I took. Anyways, look at that. Doesn't that look like fun? Yeah. Looks like they're having a ball up there. Yeah. All right, we'll give them another hour. And then we'll come check on them again. Bye.